I'm Abhay Kataria. I head the affordable housing loan business at Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. The credit linked subsidy scheme is basically a subsidy scheme for people who are borrowing for buying a house. This actually kind of covers the strata of society, which is EWS, economically weaker section, for low income group and medium income group. The borrowing that they have made for purchase or construction of the house, they are given a subsidy by NHB, which is up to 2.67 lakhs. The advantage of the scheme is that customer can reduce the EMI or tenor. It's been kept very simple by the government. First, it needs to be the first house in the family. There needs to be a female ownership on the house. And third thing, Aadhaar is compulsory. And the fourth thing is that the income level for EWS scheme is up to 3 lakhs annual income. For LIG, it is up to 6 lakhs annual income. So once the loan is availed by the borrower for construction or purchase of the house, the data is uploaded by the bank or the HFC that he's borrowed from. That data is checked by the NHB and subsidy is provided to the bank or HFC where the customer has availed the loan from. That amount is credited to customer's loan account, thereby either reducing the tenor or the EMI. The role of bank or the HFC is very important. Customer is nowhere involved after taking the loan. It is bank and HFC which kind of uploads the data with NHB, kind of certifies whatever parameters have been defined, and thereafter basis that the subsidy is received. So there is no trouble for the customer at all. It is only the bank and HFC which plays a major role or pivotal role in getting the subsidy for the customer. So Ujjivan has traditionally kind of played the segment which is unserved and underserved. Ujjivan currently providing housing loans to customers are the same category customers who are applicable to Pradhan Mantri Awas subsidy. So it is the right mix for Ujjivan and so also for the customers of Ujjivan and the segment that we kind of cater to. The best part is customer doesn't have to do anything, he just has to kind of borrow money for buying a house. Rest is Ujjivan who will process the subsidy for the customer by taking whatever data has been provided while availing the loan, and thereafter that is submitted to NHB for availing subsidy. In the subsidy, all the customer has to do is to avail for a home loan. The data provided by the customer in application forms and the processing documents is uploaded for processing of subsidy. As we speak, more than 1,500 families have benefited from the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana CLS subsidy scheme so far. Another 3,000 plus families applications are in process, which have been uploaded on the website for processing of subsidy. Well, there's no doubt when customer gets to know the subsidy, he is very delighted and he's very excited about it, and he's thankful to the government and also spreads the word around in his community that he has availed the loan and got a subsidy, and which is very good for the customer and so also for the business. So I have a suggestion, in case you have any queries or questions with regards to Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana CLS subsidy, please walk into our nearest Ujjivan branch and our representatives are there to take care of any question and queries to your satisfaction.